One big effort that we are making at this college is to implement course-based undergraduate research in all classes across all programs, which will give students an opportunity to conduct research in a way that will allow them to potentially present at our annual Applied Research Symposium.
The Applied Research Symposium is an annual event. This is a great opportunity, especially for running start students, to first practice presentation skills, but also to be proud of your achievements as a young researcher. There are so many reasons to take part in a research project. You can explore fields that you've never tried before, and employers and colleges really appreciate that.
Being in a college atmosphere and seeing that they actually can perform just as well or better definitely gives them a sense of accomplishment, and they definitely grow in our programs.